Urgent. Binance will start Terra Luna Classic burn. Terra Classic has grown enormously in price since its update. What will be the price ceiling for this cryptocurrency? Will it be able to break into the top of the best cryptocurrencies? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The current price of Terra Classic today is $0.000248 with a 24-hour trading volume of $512,035,696. We update our lunc price in US dollars in real time. The 4-hour lunc chart complemented other indicators on the network, as it assumed a huge advantage of bulls in the market. The exponential moving average, EMA, tape indicated a large gap between the 20-day EMA and the 55-day EMA, thereby indicating that buyers have an advantage. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, readings also painted a similar picture, as the blue lines seem to be moving away from the red line. All indicators and market indicators point in the same direction that lunc may grow in the coming weeks, bringing joy to its investors. Nevertheless, on the one hand, the EMA and MACD tape showed a bull market. On the contrary, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, declined slightly on September 1st, which may hinder the continued growth of the lunc. The world's largest crypto exchange Binance earlier announced 1.2% tax burn support for Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, on all on-chain activities. But the community wants tax burn support for off-chain activities such as selling and buying. Binance in an updated announcement states that the 1.2% tax burn on the exchange for on-chain transactions will be applicable from September 21st at 2200 UTC. Crypto exchange Binance, in a new announcement on September 16th, said the exchange will implement the 1.2% tax burn for Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, on September 21st at 2200 UTC. However, despite agreeing to review and update its support for off-chain transactions, the exchange has not announced support for it. The 1.2% tax burn is applicable for on-chain transactions such as deposits and withdrawals. Unfortunately, the 1.2% tax burn will not be application on off-chain activities such as lunc buying and selling. Deposits of lunc and USTC from addresses to Binance wallets will be consolidated and subject to 1.2% tax burn by the Terra Classic network. Similarly, withdrawals of lunc and USTC from Binance wallet will be subject to withdrawal fees and 1.2% tax burn. However, fees are applicable only when withdrawals are made. Furthermore, Binance will adjust the withdrawal fees for lunc and USTC, as well as minimum and maximum withdrawal amounts, accordingly. The 1.2% tax parameter change proposal has been passed by the community. In addition, TFL has also made code changes to the Terra station. The 1.2% burn tax will be implemented automatically when block height reaches 9,475,200. Other exchanges that support the tax burn includes KuCoin, Kraken, Huobi, Gate.io, MEX Global Coinin, BTCEX, and LBank. Moreover, the community has burned nearly 3.8 million lunc and staked 565.5 billion tokens until now. Terra Classic, lunc, price plummeted below $0.0003 after South Korea issued an arrest warrant against Terra founder Do Kwon. However, the Terra Classic community and validators have clarified that Do Kwon is focused on Terra 2.0, Luna. Also, the daily trading volume has dived below $1 billion. During a rally to hit the $0.0005 target, the daily trading volume jumped over $3.5 billion. The price may rally again after the implementation of the 1.2% tax burn on September 20th. The much-awaited 1.2% tax burn was implemented on the Terra Classic, lunc, blockchain recently, thus giving massive hope to investors for the token's revival. Though the protocol received much support from multiple crypto exchange platforms, including KuCoin, lunc's price did not correspond accordingly. Moreover, just a day after the rollout, it was announced that lunc's 1.2% tax burn protocol was facing issues. Breaking. A couple major sexes like at Binance ran into issues implementing the on-chain. That's why #lunc volume has dropped off. Deposits and withdrawals have been suspended. Once the issue has been resolved, especially on Binance, burning and volume will explode high voltage. However, investors and enthusiasts still remained confident despite the setback. Lunc hodlers believed that lunc would continue surging and reclaim its past glory in the months and years to come. However, let's look at what's happening in the ecosystem to better understand what to expect. Facts versus rumors. The information regarding some issues with the protocol when revealed was followed by information that stated developers were working on fixing the problem. No matter the issue, the good news was that more than 4 billion lunc tokens were burnt after the rollout, with a daily burn rate of over 243 million. This was nightly a positive development, as burning such large amounts would limit lunc's supply in the future, thus driving the price of lunc higher in the long run. Total burned $lunc today. Daily rate burned 243,589,240. Retweet if you want more burn to happen. #LuncBurning #LuncBurn #LuncBurn. Interestingly, amid all these developments, some misinformation also surfaced on social media. For instance, people on Twitter did not have much clarity on the Binance episode. A popular crypto influencer, Classy, via Twitter mentioned the actual scenario, which helped in clearing the cloud regarding Binance's position. He mentioned that lunc's network burns are supported by Binance, and if added, the burn will significantly increase. If you've been asking whether or not Binance will be supporting the 1.2% on-chain $lunc tax, here's your proof. Some are spreading misinformation on this topic. Binance is supporting network burns and the burn will increase drastically once added. Proposed legislation aims to target digital assets like USD, which collapsed spectacularly earlier this year. The law would make it illegal to create endogenously collateralized stablecoins, whose value is solely based on a different digital asset by the same issuer. Whereas many stablecoins in the market are backed by U.S. dollars held in reserve, USD's peg was directly tied to a sister altcoin called Luna. Both of these cryptocurrencies crashed back in May, causing investors to lose tens of billions of dollars. An arrest warrant has been issued for Terra co-founder Do Kwon, but South Korean prosecutors allege that he's on the run. It's difficult to know how such a law could be enforced, but there's little doubt that it could affect the listings of algorithmic stablecoins on major exchanges. American investors would also likely be forbidden from interacting with algorithmic stablecoins that were launched overseas. According to Bloomberg, plans are also in place to give banks and non-banks the ability to issue their own stablecoins. While its report says the bill could be voted on next week, no precise date has been decided, and time is running out before the midterm elections. The Terra Classic community requests all crypto exchanges to implement the 1.2% tax burn for all off-chain activities. The tax and burn mechanism continues until lunc reaches a fixed supply of 10 billion. The tax burn gets disabled as the fixed supply reaches 10 billion. Meanwhile, Crypto.com is also supporting the 1.2% tax burn for Terra Classic, lunc. However, the crypto exchange will support the tax burn only for on-chain activities such as deposits and withdrawals. During deposits, the account balance gets credited to the account after the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. Similarly, withdrawals will be subject to withdrawal fee charges and the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. To ensure the safety of users' funds during and after the upgrade, we will temporarily suspend deposits and withdrawals of lunc token during the network upgrade. The trading of lunc token will not be affected. Other crypto exchanges supporting the tax burn include Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Huobi, Gate.io, MEX Global Coinin, BTCEX, and L-Bank. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.